Hi! We're, hold on. We're stuck at a train.
We're not stuck at a train.
We're stuck at a train. A train's blocking the freaking street or whatever. What? Oh my gosh, I can't freaking.
Why don't you flip it over?
Oh yeah. No, because it's gonna like.
No, like up to right here.
I know, it's gonna be stupid though, like the video. It's like it's gonna flip around.
I got it.
I bet it's in Florida. Oh well. Let's do a challenge. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, you saw it.
Funyun challenge.
I dare you to eat this.
Ew, what the hell is that?
It's so candy. But it's like all nasty.
I'm gonna eat one of these. I don't know if you could see. Oh.
What the fuck? You gonna be studying right now?
Ew, I don't want it.
I was just kidding. You should throw it at someone.
Okay, throw it out your window.
Or my window.
That girl totally looked by. I threw it out, the window. I see that girl looked at when I threw out the window.
Imagine she was like, oh, if she like jumped out the window just to get it. It's like, ah!
Okay, believe me.
It's like, fuck that shit, I'm getting dark by the second. I should screw up more so people won't be.
This girl's like, aw shit.
I can't fucking reverse! That was just fucking stupid ass. Wow, motherfuckers, really? I can't even get out of here. And you stupid asses are doing this. I hate you guys.
You go like,
Finally, motherfucker. Hurry up, bitch!
reverse. And watch when it goes. Because we're still going. Ah! Ah! This car like totally scared it. Oh, right now.
It's like a through street right here.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Ah!
Ah!
I'm still recording.
Stare at it. What if the shit? No, that shit won't scare you. Oh wow, I still have it.
It's still in here. I was wondering if that's true.
My apple juice I left like a week ago.
That was on Monday, last week on Monday.
Isn't there a Starbucks here?
Ah! Yeah. Fuck, I got something in my eye.
Let's go to Starbucks.
I was just saying that. Well, I wanted a Starbucks. Fucking shit. Back around to your butt. Where the fuck is the breaker?
I wanted to go to the gym today, but it's closed.
The gym's closed today.
Mine. Taekwondo! 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 I'm kidding. Alfred. Queso! That's a badass truck. Just kidding. I don't like the rims. Anyways. Peace! We be out, girl! I'm just kidding. Yeah. Later.
Peace out, guys.